Hey everyone, okay, here and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be assembling stage 2 of Eaglemoss Diecast Club's Build the Willys Jeep. Now, actually, I've already built the part already. I've already put the hood together and whatnot. I just haven't had time to get around to actually making this intro video to bring it out. In the last video, I didn't do one of these intros. I just went straight into the audio commentary, so I was a little rushed on that one. So hopefully with this, I will actually be able to start off properly and describe what's being put together and whatnot. I have sped the videos. The video will be on a time lapse like last one, so you're not sitting there for too long to watch. But anyway, here's the assembly. Okay, in the last episode, I had put together the grill, so now I'm going to begin work on putting the hood together. Okay, and the first thing I had to do was put together these teeny little detail pieces together. The little latches that go on to either side of the hood. Thankfully, those went together, fairly easy, even though you can see me struggling there. Yep, finally got it. And just pulling out first set of screws. Oh, I grabbed the wrong bag. Now pull out the main hood. So to start attaching the little side latches. Some of these parts you gotta wonder what the. Oh wait, never mind. Not the side latches. The putting together the pads that the windshield can rest on. Whenever you have the option, when the option comes around that you can actually fold the windshield down over the hood, just like on the real Willys Jeep. Yeah, a lot of stuff tends to try to escape, which is why I probably should put a mat underneath me at some point. I do appreciate that Eaglemoss sent in this kit a screwdriver that is actually already magnetized, so it makes putting the screws in a whole lot easier. Oh, there they are. Now working on attaching the latches and brackets to the side of the hood. Unfortunately, I keep on going out of frame while doing this. hopefully as this build progresses, I stop dropping things. And I get better at keeping things in the frame so you actually see what I'm doing. As I said before in past videos, I am not a professional YouTuber. This is just making these videos is just a hobby. Okay, I lost something apparently. Now working on attaching the first of the two side latches onto the hood. I think I had made a mistake. It's been a couple of days since I went back and reviewed this video for myself, so I can't quite remember how this build went. I think I did make a mistake at some point where I obviously just put something in the wrong place. Oh, no. Those latches are that latch is done. And I am now attaching the latch to the opposite side. Sorry for the long pauses and silence. I'll try to find some music to add to to future videos. But there, the hood is now finished, and just showing you kind of an idea of what the face of the Jeep is going to look like. So now in the next issue, I'll be working on the windshield. And yeah, well, here it is. The hood complete with the little latch details, the little cushions for when you put when the windshield can fold down on top of it. And this is actually made out of solid metal. You had to assume so from the diecast club. But as I pointed out during the build, the next thing to be put together will be the windshield. So stay tuned for that. And until my next video, this is Hellcat607 signing off.